Some big and exciting changes are coming to British Girl Bakes, and I'm a little bit sad, but also really excited about what's coming next. British Girl Bakes started when I had my first baby in a tiny apartment in Los Angeles, filming with an iPhone 4 and 2 little umbrella lights and a white sheet pinned up behind a table. That tiny setup turned into a business, a YouTube channel, and an online cake school, and that baby is now 8 years old.
We're having a baby holler because it's true!
And has 2 little brothers. Since that first studio, after a few moves, a few more studios, and many cakes later, I've just packed up the studio where I filmed for the past 4 years, and I'm heading to a brand new one. Yep, I'm building a purpose-built cake studio in our new house. It's under construction right now, and I would love your input. Should I recreate the same clean white backdrop you're used to, or try something new? Tell me in the comments what you'd love to see in the first video in the new space. This is our actual kitchen in the new house. Terrible acoustics, but it's going to be so pretty. That's big change number 1. Big change number 2. After a year and a half of planning, filming, and editing, my biggest project ever is almost ready to launch. My brand new course on content creation, The Strategic Creator. How to create and monetize videos, photos, blogs, and digital products. You'll learn strategy and branding, filming and editing, scheduling and growing your audience, and how to monetize all of your content to build an income from it. The course launches on Thanksgiving, and you can join the waitlist now on BritishGirlBakes.com. Now for the part I'm a little bit sad about. After leaving my studio full of memories, I'm going to be settling into the new studio and focusing on my course launch. I'll be slowing down YouTube uploads. Instead of weekly tutorials, which I've shared every Tuesday, every week since January 22nd, 2018, I'll now share a new video every month. It's a tough change for me since those weekly videos have been my deadline and driving force for almost 8 years now. There's more. I'm launching YouTube memberships. Members will get exclusive live stream demonstrations, Q&A sessions, and access to my smooth frosting course. Perfect. A full step-by-step guide to achieving perfectly smooth buttercream. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? Should the new studio look just like the old one, or is it time for a fresh backdrop? And if you want early access to The Strategic Creator before it launches on Thanksgiving, join the waitlist now at BritishGirlBakes.com. If you enjoyed this update, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the first tutorial filmed in the new studio. I can't wait to show you what's coming next.